Jason's asked, LS1 tuning, is that okay with one wideband on bank 1? Ideally, what we would like to do is have a wideband per bank. This will allow us to measure small air-fuel ratio variations bank to bank. We can't really do any individual trimming bank to bank that easily though, so the general trend I go for is to try and use one wideband sensor that is fitted somewhere after the collector or Y pipe where it's going to be sampling the exhaust gas from both banks of cylinders. This will give us essentially the average air-fuel ratio across all 8 cylinders.
That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.